Getting started with Altivar Solar ATV320. Hello! Today we will guide you through the installation, wiring, and commissioning of your Altivar Solar ATV320. In this video, we used only the solar panels to supply the product. Unpacking the drive. Unpack the drive and verify that it has not been damaged. Scan the QR code in front of the drive to get your product datasheet, as well as the technical documentation in digital format. Mounting. The product has to be mounted vertically as shown in the user manual, along with other mechanical and environmental constraints. The drive is designed to be used in a controlled indoor environment. Wiring. Start the wiring by opening the cover. Follow this wiring diagram. For more information, refer to the user manual. Verify that the protective devices are compatible with the product and the solar panels. Refer to the catalog or the user manual. Start by wiring the ground cables. Then the solar panels to the power supply connection PA+, PC-. Keep the shunt between P0 and PA/+. And finally, the motor cables. To improve electromagnetic compatibility, please use shielded cables. For tightening torques, refer to the product nameplate or the user manual. On the control part, we can wire the analogic inputs. Speed reference can be set by removing the shunt between AI1 and +10 volts. And digital inputs for run order. To improve electromagnetic compatibility, please use shielded cables for analogic and digital parts and keep them separate. Keep the power and the control cables separate to improve the electromagnetic compatibility. Once the wiring is done, close the cover. Before switching on, use the checklist available on the product installation manual. Commissioning. To help us in this example, we are using the graphic display terminal. In the Simply Start SIM- menu, take the information from the pump nameplate and set the parameters. Check that the macro config CFG is set to Solar Application SUN. Configure the standard frequency of the motor/pump, motor standard BFR. Configure the nominal power of the motor/pump, nominal motor power NPR. If the nominal motor power NPR is not provided on the nameplate, follow this procedure. 1. Set motor param choice MPC to motor 1 cosinus phi COS. 2. Configure the cos phi of the motor/pump, motor 1 cosinus phi COS. Configure the nominal motor voltage of the motor/pump, nom motor voltage UNS. Configure the nominal current of the motor/pump, nom motor current NCR. Configure the nominal frequency of the motor/pump, nominal motor freq RFS. Configure the nominal speed of the motor/pump. Nominal motor speed, NSP. Once all these parameters are set, you will have to perform an auto-tuning procedure, allowing the drive to refine the motor characteristics, using the auto-tuning TUN parameter. This will create a small noise in the motor, which is totally normal. If you modify the value of one or more parameters after having performed auto-tuning, the value of auto-tuning status resets to Not Done, and you must re-perform auto-tuning. Configure the thermal monitoring current of the motor/pump, motor TH current, ITH. Configure the acceleration, ACC. Then the deceleration, DEC. In SUN menu, access the Low Voltage Assign, LDCA parameter, and set it to Yes, YES. Configuring the pump operation. The Altivar Solar algorithm provides an optimum flow rate following instantaneous solar irradiance. Please note that the instructions given in this video only apply in optimum sunlight conditions, allowing the pump to operate at its rated speed. To define the minimum pump speed and check the pump operation, follow this procedure. Set a minimal value, low speed, LSP, until the water appears, and so check that it's compliant with your expectations. Switch off S1 and the DC switch disconnector. Follow the procedure, verifying the absence of voltage given in the user manual. Invert pump wiring U and V. Switch on the DC switch disconnector, then S1 to start the pump. Set low speed LSP to 0, then set the same value of low speed LSP as before. Keep the wiring configuration where low speed LSP is the most efficient. Your installation is now ready. For troubleshooting, you can scan the QR code in front of the drive. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.